In today's video, we're going to share some valuable epoxy resin troubleshooting tips to help you avoid common pitfalls and achieve better results in your resin art journey. So let's get started. Accurate measurements and mixing techniques. These are crucial for having your pieces cure correctly. First, use the correct resin to hardener ratio, which is usually 1:1 with resins for artistic applications like art kits. Avoid eyeballing your measurements and use a scale to measure by weight or a labeled measuring cup to measure by volume instead. When mixing, pour the resin, part A, first, followed by the hardener, part B. Then, stir gently, like you would stir tea, for 2 to 3 minutes max, or until you don't see any striations. Also, make sure to scrape the bottom and sides of the vessel while mixing. Only use power mixers in deep pour epoxies and a wide vessel for heat dissipation. Power mixers are not recommended when mixing resins for art. Mixing small batches of resin as needed and pouring them soon after mixing and coloring is also good practice. Check out the blog article linked in the description below for more info about epoxy resin troubleshooting and tips for beginners.